Hi guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you a very beautiful recipe. If you have been struggling with under eye puffiness, you have been struggling with dark under eyes, sagging under eyes, just looking tired generally, this video is for you. So make sure you watch from beginning to the end. Hi Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sele Kalio and I am a Nigerian based beauty influencer. I am a skincare DIY specialist and I create videos weekly on beauty, lifestyle and share tips on how to DIY your own skincare products. I also help you start out in the skincare business by offering trainings and mentorship and other helpful tips. So if any of this is something that you're interested in, you definitely want to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I put out a new video, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave your comments in the comment section, and if you have any questions about trainings and other things, you can send us a WhatsApp message using the link down below. All right, okay, let us jump right into the video. Now today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a very special kind of serum. This serum is for your under eyes. So if you're struggling with tired eyes, or you're always looking tired because you have wrinkles under your eyes, you have bags under your eyes, you have round dark circles under your eyes, this serum is something that will help you clear all of that. Now we're going to be using distilled water as our base. We're using distilled water because distilled water has been, stripped of any form of contaminants and minerals. So it is basically better when you use it in your skincare products, or even when you use it to cleanse your face. It is really the pure form of water without any salt and any impurities, and it is basically it is better. It makes your product stay longer and more stable. So we are using that here as our base. Now sometimes I make my own distilled water, and sometimes I use this one. I have a video, click this link here to learn how to make your own distilled water. So let's take the water to the side and work on our other phases. Now this is niacinamide. Niacinamide helps to build keratin, and keratin is a type of protein that keeps your skin firm and healthy. It helps to minimize redness and blotchiness. It also helps to regulate oil, protect against sun damage, treat hyperpigmentation, and minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. Go ahead and add it into your distilled water, and how this works is, once you add your niacinamide into your distilled water, it dissolves completely. You don't even need to heat anything. It just dissolves, just like I will show you in this video. If your niacinamide or niacinamide, however you pronounce it, doesn't dissolve like this, please collect your money back. That's not niacinamide. This is what your niacinamide powder should do. It is water soluble and it should dissolve completely within 1 minute. It doesn't take long at all. If it doesn't dissolve immediately, then it is not of high purity. This is how it should dissolve: very quickly and very complete, totally dissolved. That's why you should always buy your products or your ingredients from a reputable seller. Now we'll put that to the side and talk about polysorbate 20. Now I'm using this product as an emulsifier. Polysorbate 20 is a liquid emulsifier that can help water and oil combine. Now there's polysorbate 80, there's polysorbate 60, but I'm using polysorbate 20 because I'm not using a lot of oil in this formula. So this is just to help combine the oil that is going to be added into this product and the water to combine together. Now if you're using more oil than water, then you can add polysorbate 80. Okay, I don't know if I've explained that a bit. So polysorbate 20 is basically an emulsifier that is used to combine a little amount of oil in a water based product. And this can be if you're making a toner and you want to add fragrance. Instead of adding the fragrance and it sitting on the top, you can add Polisobate 20 to help add that, give that a more combined look. All right, now this is our hyaluronic acid. This is almost a staple in every of my products. This product is a hydrating product, and I am using the high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. I'm also adding glycerin into the hyaluronic acid to help give us a more uniform and even combination or mixture when we add it to the serum or to the base. Now, hyaluronic acid is well known for its skin benefits, especially to elevate dry skin, to reduce the appearance of fine line and wrinkles, and to speed up wound healing. So this will help us in curbing the wrinkles around the eyes, and also to give the under eye a more hydrated looking feel or look. And also the glycerin is also a humectant that can help to as well give a lift to the under eye and give a very good boost and hydration to the under eye. Now I'm adding this into the base that we have done earlier. Make sure you are using a silicone spatula to scrape off your ingredients from any plate or any bowls that you're using, so you get everything out. Here I didn't have my spatula close by, so I just used that. But make sure you're using a spatula so it's easy for you to get everything out of your bowls. All right, take that to the side and let us work on the other ingredients. Now we're going to be adding our extracts. We're using a bunch of extracts. We're using chamomile extract. This ingredient nourishes the under eye, brightens and boosts collagen production, and depuffs and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkle on your eyes or under your eyes. We will also be using silk protein. Silk protein with excellent moisture binding properties and deep conditioning. The molecular structure of silk protein is similar to that of the collagen fibers that make up our skin, and it naturally helps to increase the skin's elasticity. It can speed up skin cell functioning. It can prevent wrinkles, and also can tighten the skin and gives a smooth effect to the skin. And we're going to go ahead and mix that very well. Make sure everything is well mixed and well incorporated. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please take this 1 second, hit the red button down below. Yes, the one below. Thank you. And next we are adding Q10, which is coenzyme 10. Now coenzyme 10 is a substance that helps naturally with aging. It can help to recharge the skin cells by increasing their rejuvenative potential, to diminish wrinkles and under eye circles, and it also has antioxidant qualities that protects the skin from new lines forming. So you can see all the amazing ingredients that we use here. Now go ahead and give this mixture a thorough mix. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. Now before we go on, our base cream training has been moved from 30th of June to 30th of July. I'm so sorry, I have an emergency that I have to attend to, so I have moved the date. And this will also give some of you who complained that you couldn't afford to join the class, this can give you time to also join the class. That notwithstanding, I am really sorry that I know a lot of you have been looking forward to this training, but I bet you it is not going to be anything short of amazing. So keep that spirit up. We're going to have this training on the 30th of July. Now with this, I am going to be adding a free serum recipe, so keep it locked. Now to keep this product safe, we're going to be using Jamal Plus preservative, which is one of my go-to preservatives when it comes to DIY skincare products, because I know that it will help your products stay safe, and it will help keep your products from any contaminants. So I'm using Jamal Plus. You can go ahead to use any other water soluble preservative that has a broad spectrum, but I always gravitate towards Jamal Plus because it's easy to use, it's easy to find, and it is affordable for all of us to get it. Now go ahead and give your mixture a thorough mix. If you have the little electric whisk, you can go ahead to use that to give this a thorough mix, but I like to do this by hand to make sure I'm not over whisking or over mixing my product. So there I have it. Everything is well incorporated. I'm going to store my product in this jar, but before you go ahead to store your product, make sure you check the pH. I know I didn't film the pH where I was checking the pH because I didn't know I wasn't recording, but make sure you go ahead to check the pH of this product because the pH is very, very important. Now you want your pH to be around 5.5 to 6. Now initially when I did this, I got a pH of about 7.8, so I had to adjust the pH down to 5.8 percent, or no, not percent. I had to adjust it to 5.8, but 6 is also perfect, but you want it to be on the more acidic side, so 5.8 is fine. 5.5 is also a great place to have your product. It will stay safe and it will give you the result that you're looking for. Now go ahead and store your product in this container. If you have no idea how to adjust the pH of your product, make sure you get our ebook. It will help you understand the basics of formulation before you go into any form of formulation. And make sure you are also labeling all your products, because trust me, somebody like me who makes products every day, I have a bunch of products lying around that I don't even know what they are. So make sure you go ahead to label your products, and voila, this is what we have. I had issues with this label, but that's fine. So yeah, this is what we have, and I'm very, very grateful for your patience with me, and I hope this one is something that you will enjoy. Trust me, I have been enjoying this product and you will enjoy it too. I hope you guys love this product, and I will definitely see you in my next video. But before I go, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you will be the first to know when a video is uploaded. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really appreciate you and I really love you. Don't forget to join the training so you can begin to make products for yourself and for your business. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.